In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your LinkedIn smartphone app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So by updating your LinkedIn app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app, as well as this will help you fix any issues that might be related to your app. To do this, you need to go to your Google Play Store if you're on Android like me, or if you're on iPhone, look for App Store. Tap on it, and then using the search bar on top, just search for the app LinkedIn, and LinkedIn is here. I'll run the search and you can see we have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of LinkedIn app. To update, just tap on update, and this will download the latest version of LinkedIn app and then install it on your smartphone. Now, once you have the latest version installed, you can proceed and open it to start using the latest version of LinkedIn app. So that's how you can update your LinkedIn app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.